For the effective implementation of the land reform, government have to ensure proper data so that they can ensure better and equitable distribution of lands. Initially, the land data was stored in the register, so there were high chance of the corruption. In 2008, the government of India decided to introduce a central sector scheme that is known as Land Record Modernization Program. The purpose of National Land Record Modernization Program was to store and update land records in computers so that the government can easily access the data from anywhere. The government wants any changes that easily can be done by the government officials too. But initially government stored all the data and attached with the cadastral maps. But later on in 2014 the government launched Digital India initiative. Then government realized if the data is available in the computers, that should be accessible to the citizens of the country too. Then government decided to National Land Record Modernization Program should be converted in Digital India Land Record Modernization Program, where the citizens and the government officials can easily access the data from anywhere. In the Digital India Land Record Modernization Program, government integrated registration of lands, land records and the maps too. All these things were integrated, so easily the land can be identified by the officials and the landowners. Under this Digital India Land Record Modernization Program, that is Unique Land Parcel Identification Number, which is popular in India by the name of Bhu Aadhaar.